Okay, here is the video of the thunderstorm. And we're under a special weather statement right now. And 40-mile-an-hour wind gusts is possible. Look how dark a cloud it is. And sorry about these locusts, but super loud. And we do have a thief right there, so I'm just letting you know. The heck? The light just came on, probably from the thief. Better stay away. Clouds are moving a bit fast. Damn, look how dark it is. And the street lights are coming on. I should not be in the road right now. Oh wow. My goodness. It is super dark. Really dark. I'm above the street light, so I gotta get away. That's almost like a shelf cloud. I don't have anxiety, so that's a good thing. I usually get anxiety about thunderstorms, and I get nervous about winds. And if there's a tornado warning, I would be super scared right now. But we're under just a special weather statement right now. Ooh, this lightning. Wind's picking up a little bit. Can feel the air a little bit. We're supposed to get 40-mile-an-hour wind gusts, so I hope it's not too strong. Otherwise, I'll get anxiety. That is really dark. Look how dark it is. Oh, and wind's starting to pick up a little bit. Ooh. Saw that lightning, right? See how it looks super dark. I'm getting a little bit of anxiety right now. Sorry. It's getting definitely dark outside. You see the street lights on. Oh my gosh. Look at that cloud. The wind's starting to pick up. It's coming from the southeast, which is right there. Northwest is right there. I hope it's not severe warned. If it was, it would have been like a severe thunderstorm warning. I gotta get in the porch soon. This is starting to get a little bit bad. Just got notifications. It struck 14 miles away from northwest. Ooh, the winds are starting to pick up. I can hear it. Holy crap. Holy crap. Holy crap. That's probably 50-mile-an-hour wind gusts. I just heard lightning. Ooh. Yeah, the winds are picking up. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Probably 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That's probably 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts. Holy crap. Oh my gosh. What the heck is that? Oh. I think it's a thingy, I don't know. But look at those winds. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh! That's probably 50 to 60 mile an hour wind gusts. The tree's about to break. It's a siren. Holy crap. It's super dark outside. It's about to rain any minute, about to go to forge. I never filmed a thunderstorm before. Well, I have, but I have my Android right there. I don't feel any rain yet. My goodness. Holy crap. I feel it raining a little bit. Ooh, yeah, I better go to porch right now. Oh my gosh! Look at those winds! I hope a town won't go out. That's probably like 60 mile an hour wind gusts. Oh, it's raining a little bit, I can feel it. You can see blue skies right there. Yeah, I better go to porch right now. It's getting dangerous. I'm getting a little anxiety attack. I feel some raindrops. That's probably 55, 60 mile an hour wind gusts. Holy crap. Look at that, you cannot even see anything. And it's starting to rain a little bit. think it's coming down to about like a 40-mile-an-hour wind gust now. Oh yeah, it's raining a little bit. It's a school bus. Oh, I can see rain in the shower over right. My gosh. I hope we won't lose power. The good thing we're not under a tornado warning. I think it's just a special weather statement still. I think the special weather statement must have changed to 50 to 55-mile-an-hour wind gusts. It's raining quite a bit. When it gets a heavy rain, I'll go to the porch. Can't even see rain. Cannot turn the flashlight on. I don't have it on, so sorry. Doesn't seem too green. If it was green, I would have been shocked. I figured if you see it in your hands, you can see it rain. Oh, I can see it. A little bit. The winds are probably coming down to about 35-mile-an-hour wind gusts. I can hear big raindrops. Yeah, it's big raindrops. I can hear them. Oh, I can see it. I better go to the porch. It's getting a little bit dangerous from the lightning. Oh, was that a power flash? I swear I just saw it. Maybe it's just lightning. I don't know. I just saw that power flash. Ooh, I think that was close. Probably struck to 6 mile. What in the world? The wind just calmed down to probably about 10 miles an hour now. That's strange. Never seen that before. I kind of can't see it because I have it on 60 camera. I don't know what's called. Just comment below what you think. Winds are going up a little bit to 20-mile-an-hour winds. Starting to rain quite a bit. I think somehow it's going up to 25-mile-an-hour wind gusts. I can hear these winds far away. Oh, it's somehow going up to 30 miles an hour. What? I think it's because of the rain. Can't even see trees in the camera because I have it on 60 thingy camera. Oh, yep. I can hear it. I can for sure hear it. When I read that the channel, weather channel, the wind threat was 1, the tornado threat was 0, and the hail threat was 0. In Iowa, the wind threat is a 2, and then a tornado threat is a 1, and then hail threat is a 2 in Iowa. You can see a little bit of blue skies. Some storms are like that. I don't know why it does that. Can't even see the camera either. I shouldn't have had it on 30. Next time I put it on 30 when that storm comes again. You might see the lightning, but not the trees. Gotta pause. I gotta unset up my Android real quick. Here we go. Half my Android. The camera's blurry. Ooh, wow. We're not even gonna hit rain. Weird. My camera's not focusing. There might be mosquitoes, so I better not get bit. Might be a moth in the light. It's raining a little bit. I thought it would rain like heavy, but I guess not. That was close right there. The rainy. Oh! Missed that rainy strike. It was right there. Camera's not focusing for some reason. Oh, there's a bird fly. You don't see that very often. Well, you see it very often, but not at night. There's a security camera. been a half an hour. You even get not even rain. And to be fair, it's supposed to storm again. Or it might just break out. I probably did overreact this video. What do you think? Like the wind, they were like probably 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts and I overreacted. Ooh, windy outside. It stopped raining already. Weird. And to be fair, we're gonna go the air show tomorrow. And I'm pretty excited for it. I'm gonna also record on my iPhone with the wind chime whisper on it. If you don't mind, comment below. I think that's all of this video. So I'll see you in the next video.